Hi everyone, my name is Elsie Norton. I'm an undergraduate research assistant in the Ferrario lab at the University of Michigan, and now I'm going to be walking you through the drawing markers function of LabGym. Drawing markers is a function that allows you to define fixed positions in your videos that are relevant to certain behaviors you are hoping to use LabGym to identify. It's used to analyze interactive behaviors in which interacting objects or regions are static and not easy to identify. It's typically done before you train a categorizer, and you're drawing markers only on the first frame of a video, and then they get applied to all of the frames of the videos. Therefore, your videos you hope to mark should have the objects you wish to mark visible, and they should be static in the first frame of your video. I'll show you an example of this in a moment. To access the drawing markers function, you're going to open the preprocessing module, and then instead of clicking preprocess modules, if you were to trim, crop, enhance a video, you're going to click draw markers. So here it's just going to give you two simple options. First, you're going to select the video or videos for marker drawing. We're going to go in here. This is the video that I have just trimmed, and now we're going to draw markers on it. So I'm going to select the video. It's going to ask you again if you want to resize the video frames. I'm going to say no. And then it's going to ask you for the folder to spit those videos back into once they have markers on them. So I have this video, I have this folder I have named marked videos. I'm going to select this one. So now I'm going to click the button that says start to draw markers. So this is the first frame of a video. It's always going to give you the very first frame of all of your videos, and then you're going to draw the markers on that frame, and then it will be applied to all frames of the video moving forward. The buttons on the bottom, I'm going to walk you through them one by one. So first is going to be select shape. If you do not open this button, if you do not ever click this button, it is always just going to draw circles anywhere you click. So you're only going to be able to draw circles unless you go in here and you click yes, in which case it will allow you to draw lines. And you can see I'm using this undo button at the bottom, undo drawing. That's going to allow you to undo anything that you maybe accidentally put or you don't like how it looks. So you're going to click the undo. So we're going to select shape. We're going to start by drawing lines. I'm going to show you how we label our food cups in our behavior videos. And then it's going to ask you to select a color. So color is important. You're always going to want to pick a color that is definite for each thing that you are marking, because LabGym is going to associate that color with that behavior. So a rat interacting with that blue box is going to be associated with, say, a food cup behavior. So you're going to want to keep your colors very consistent. So I'm going to click this blue, which I have been using for this project, and we're going to outline the food cup using the blue here. Okay. Next, let's say you wanted to use a circle to label something. So we're going to click no, and then we're going to select a different color here. And then I'm going to label this light in this corner here with a circle, just like that. Okay, so once you have everything marked in your video, you can go ahead and press draw markers. So I'm going to press this button here. It's going to take a minute to load, but you can see this spitty circle. That means that the video is working on being processed, the video is being marked. And then we can also verify for ourselves going into that marked videos folder. We can see it's being spit in there, and now it is just named marked. So we know that the video is being processed. Okay, so now we have the notification that our marker drawing is completed. So now I'm going to access this file here. This is in our marked videos folder that we had LabGym spit the marked video into. So I'm just going to open up this video and show you guys. You can see that it is marked here. The length of the video has stayed the same. Nothing about that has changed. The only thing is that now for the entire video, we're going to have this blue marker on this food cup area of the box and then this pink marker on the light. So I'll just click through and show you guys. All right. And then that is the end of the draw markers function. Thank you for watching.